Hi everyone, I'm really happy to make this video for Jagdish. To speak about Jagdish, he's the most wonderful person in my entire life. He changed my life completely in a different direction. That's what I wanted to share with you. And I am Caleb, and I am working as a senior software engineer in HCL. I just wanted to make this video so sweet and simple. I'm really happy. I just wanted to share with you the three most important things I learned from Jagdish, which changed my entire life. The first thing is you have to dream. You must have a dream. You must have a goal. You must take a pen. You must take a paper. Write each and every word about your goal and your dream in that paper. You have to be more precise, and you have to mean it, and you have to feel it. That is the first and foremost thing I learned from Jagdish that changed my entire life. And the second thing is you have to take action for that. Each and every action you have to be more concentrated, and you have to be more precise, and you have to know what you're going to do. So that's the second thing I learned from him. And the third most important thing that helped me a lot is connecting with people. I learned a lot from him, how we need to connect with others, how we need to help them and get help from them. So yeah, uh, I have a feeling that you are so lucky, and you're going to change your entire life. And thank you, Jagdish.